here and welcome back to my channel. It's the start of Bachelor season, which means Monday nights ABC airs a series where you can see if Colton, the Bachelor, is going to find the love of his life. Whether or not you're a fan of the vanity and the drama of the series, one thing I think is inevitably cool about it is in the era of Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, where we all watch different shows at different times, it's one of the few remaining series that connects us all temporally. I can always count on finding people Tuesday morning at work that have probably tuned into The Bachelor and that I can connect with over the show. I've put together this recipe for Final Rose cookies, which you can make if you host a Bachelor viewing party or if you just want an adorable treat. I hope you enjoy. I'll start off by baking the sugar cookies. So I just popped my finished cookies out of the oven and I'm going to place them on a plate before I decorate. Once my cookies have cooled, I'm going to be making a rose design on each one. To start off, I'm going to put a red layer on each cookie. Go back with some white, and you're going to outline a circle and then make a little spiral so it looks like a rose. And then I'm going to take some green icing pads. You can place the finished cookies on a separate tray so that they can totally cool before you put them in the stick. So once you have your cookies decorated and cooled, you're going to take your wooden spears and stick one into each cookie so that you can have standing rows. And there you go. You have your Final Rose cookies. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to tag me on Instagram at @GeniusBaking if you make them, and hashtag Bachelor Nation when you watch to find out who gets the final rose. I'll see you guys next time.